In this video, we're going to take a look at system settings as they relate to labor rate for your shop. Let's open up the key in the gear icon here, System Settings. We're then going to select the List tab and make our way down to the Labor Rate button. And once we have it open, you're going to see here a standard issue example of a shop setup. We're going to have a standard default labor rate, corresponding diagnostic, and then we have the same for business diag, fleet, and fleet diag. Now you'll notice something peculiar here. We have a non-even dollar amount for each of these rates. Now that's standard across the country, best practice setup. We also have an arbitrary number in for the rate cost, that $30 number that you see there. And why is that there, you might be thinking? That is a placeholder. Should you be creating an estimate before you place a technician, which you saw in a previous video in the series, before that technician is applied to that estimate, we don't want a 100% profitable example there. That might be a tendency for a service writer to discount under the auspice that we're making more profit than we are. That number will change when the technician is applied to that labor item with the true or loaded labor cost applied. Now we do have a sliding scale example here, and we are figuring additional money for time lost or profit sale lost with the lack of parts when it comes to diag time. So as we wrap up this video, let's talk briefly about the structure here. We have default rate of 90. Diag rate's going to be $30 more. We follow that same mojo with business and $106 from the 80. We have 70 for fleet, and then we bring our diag to 93. That's going to compensate for the loss of the part sales that goes along with the most expensive employee likely in the shop using some of the most expensive equipment that, let's not forget, has to be updated every year.